Hi crafty angels, welcome back to the channel. It's Vanessa from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm working some more on my craft room and I'm getting organized with my new drawer system that I have in place. And the supplies you'll need for this is address labels, a pen, bags of your choice. I have a basket of different sizes here, and the items that you want to organize. Now, we're going to take this out for a minute, put that to the side, and as y'all can see here, I've already peeled off the outer part of the label so it'll be easy for me to remove. We're going to put the pen to the side and we're going to organize these leaves and poinsettias, okay? Now, whatever doesn't fit in, hang on, one of these two size bags, different size bags here. Let me see if I can grab something to show you guys. This is one size here, or this size here. This is a 4x6 and this is a 9x6, okay? Now whatever doesn't fit in these two will be either sold or donated to a local school. So what I want to do is take all the white poinsettias, okay? Let's remove the thread first. And I'm going to stack them like this. I'm going to pull out the centers because I only want the leaves of it. Okay. So I'm going to pull the centers out. I'm going to just put that to the side because I can do something different with the leaves. So I'm going to do that with all of them. It's easy to pull it off. All you have to do is hold this part here and, well, pull on this part and it comes out. This you can save to do like the center here, and you can put a piece of bling in the middle. So those centers I will save. The other center, I don't know. I don't want that. So I'm gonna put that to the side to be discarded. So let's keep going. Again, hold this part here and then just come underneath like this and pull that part. Save the bottom and do that. Okay, that's that. Again, you're gonna take this piece, hold it, this piece, pull, and they come right off. Okay, now I'm gonna test to see what fits in. Now I'm gonna put these in a separate bag. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a pile of them. Now I'm gonna test this to see what fits in here. Okay, I know I can fit a lot in it. So to me, this is not quite full yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue with the white poinsettias. Pull that off, put it aside, discard this piece, and just keep going. And you do that through the whole kit and caboodle here. So what I'm gonna do is do more off camera, and I will be back when I have it done. Okay, I'm back and I have all my white poinsettia leaves here. And what I'm gonna do is just pull this together, fold that over, grab my tape. You can use double-sided tape for this also, and tape that shut, and get my labels here. If I don't have a craft the lens first, I'm gonna get the labels and write white leaves. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to stick this on here. Put that to the side. Then we're going to write maroon leaves. And then red leaves. And green petals. And then flower centers. Okay, so now we're going to take our maroon, do the same thing, grab our tape. I have my tape on a shelf above my head up there. I'm going to take our label right off of here and put it on here, put that to the side, and we're on a roll. Same thing, we're going to tape all the bags shut, all the little envelopes. I also use these, well, I'm going to use them for my stamps and for my dies. So it'll be easier for me. Whoops, we forgot the label. It'll be easier for me and the system that I'm putting in place for myself to get, to have everything the way I want it. I will label all the dies and everything the same way I'm doing with these. And these are all the petals from the poinsettias. Okay, so I write green petals and put my label there. I need to get my drawer that I usually put everything in to get that done. Now, my flower centers, I'm going to do the same thing. But, let me see. Okay, this is my flower centers. Like this. Put them in. Now, they're a mixture because they had different centers. All the poinsettias had different centers. Okay. There's four different centers because I'm going to show y'all the fourth one. This is the fourth center. So I'm going to put that in. The other center that came, I don't like it, so I'm not going to put it in my bag. And here's the other center because this one falls apart easy, and I don't want that. So we're going to take this. Again, we're going to tape it. And voila. We're going to put our label on the front. Voila. We got our centers. So I'm going to, let me see here. Try to clean up here a little. See, I'm going to show you guys. The center I showed you, this is how they break apart that easy. And I don't want that breaking apart when I'm trying to do a project or anything. Okay? So now that I have those all labeled and put aside, I'm going to show y'all the leaves that I have, the green, the petals. All I did the same thing I did with the flowers, is pull this apart, save the center, discard this part of the center, okay, and take two petals and trim them in half. Okay, now there are different styles of the leaves or the petals. See? And I just stick that in my, I'll just put it in my leaf bag here. And I have that. Now I have the center that came with that one. So I'm going to grab my center bag and put that in here because I want to use that on projects. I'll save it. And what I'm not going to use, I'll donate. And I'm going to show you what I'm donating. From all what y'all seen on my desk at the beginning, I'm donating all of this. So the kids can do what they want at school. And here's all the bags that I've done. Now this is going to store like this, 2 rows in my drawers. And it'll be easy for me to read. Now some of my drawers, I can store them going this way with the label here. And it's easy to read. And again, I get 2, maybe 3 rows, depending on how big the drawer, how long the drawer is. Okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live or I'll upload new content. And also, be crafty, stay crafty. Be well, stay safe, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.